My name is Andrew Strong and I'm studying crop science at UCD. Crop science, the basics of managing crops, really cereals, because horticulture is kind of maybe more vegetables and stuff, so like wheat, barley, oats, and then in America where I went for 4 months, I was studying kind of soybean and maize, which are the main cereals over there, what they call it corn. I grew up on a cereal farm and I just wanted to basically learn more the science behind how crops are managed and how to basically improve yield and stuff. I found that interesting in school too. So when I came in first year, I chose ag science. I tried a bit of everything, all the different science modules. I specialised in crop science at the end of my first year. Biology and ag science would have been my favourite subjects in school, and even in the junior cert I liked science. That was kind of the main reason I chose it. And if you really enjoy what you're studying, definitely helps you enjoy the course. For crop science, the work placement begins in January in third year and it runs through to September, and you get a good mix of farm and industry, which I liked, and I also got to do a research part, which was really interesting to me. And then in March I went to an organic farm in Monaghan, and that was really interesting because it was kind of a different approach to farming. And I did my research in Teagasc in Carlow, and that was for 3 months. Then I did 2 weeks in the Department of Agriculture, so all the cereals, basically the different varieties get trialled to see like which ones have better traits for resistance to diseases and stuff, and for yield. I did that with the other students in my course, which was really good, and I got to kind of know them as people, which was also enjoyable. We did testing for barley as well in the department, and then I did an industry placement for an agri company called Grennan's, and they sell animal feed and fertilizer, and that was interesting too. I got to communicate with people and stuff, which was definitely a good experience for like kind of the real world. There's a good variety in the course in terms of being examined. There's good few essays you have to do for different modules, and they count a good proportion towards that module grade. End of year exams as well. If you did feel like you did bad in the exam in the RDS, you can definitely make up for it by doing kind of project work, and there's essays and group work too in the course. So I think it's a good balance. In first year, I tried as many things as I could. It was kind of a new experience for me, leaving secondary school and everything, and I wanted to try and get involved as much as I could. And I joined AgSoc, which is like the Agricultural Society, and they had events, and yeah, I definitely got to meet a load of people through that, and I still have friends from meeting them in first year, and I still talk to them regularly, so that was really good. There's definitely lots of opportunities in crop science. I would consider maybe in the future doing some part-time farming or something like that, and also I would like to work in the industry for a few years. I have also been thinking about maybe doing a master's too. Yeah, there's also loads of research opportunities too within some of the Teagasc where I was working. To be interested in this course, I think you have to have an appreciation for nature, and being outdoors would be a good thing too. And if you have an interest in agriculture and you care about food as well, I think this course could be for you.